Hey guys! Welcome to my channel. Today video is about invention of 3D printing. It's older than you think. The first 3D printer was invented in 1983 by Chuck Hull. He called it Stereolithography, SLA. That's over 40 years ago. It started with UV light and resin. Hull's invention used a UV laser to trace a pattern onto the surface of a vat of photopolymer resin, hardening it layer by layer to create a 3D object. The first ever 3D printed object was a simple small eyewash cup. It wasn't glamorous, but it proved the technology worked and started a revolution. The patent was a race. While Chuck Hull is credited and filed his patent first, a French team also filed a patent for a similar system just 3 weeks later. The file format was invented too. Chuck Hull also created the .stl, stereolithography, file format. It's still the universal standard for 3D printing today. FDM printing came later. The common, hot glue gun, style printing, fused deposition modeling or FDM, was invented in 1988 by Scott Crump, who later co-founded Stratasys. Key patents expired, sparking a boom. The core patent for FDM printing expired in 2009. This allowed anyone to develop low-cost printers, leading to the RepRap project and the consumer 3D printing boom. It was originally called rapid prototyping. The initial goal wasn't for final products. It was a fast and cheap way for companies to create prototypes before mass production. Bioprinting tissues is real. Scientists are now using modified 3D printers with bioinks made of living cells to print skin, cartilage, and even miniature organs for drug testing. It's used to print houses and rockets. The scale is incredible. Massive printers now use concrete to build houses in hours. Companies like Relativity Space are 3D printing entire rockets. The development of 3D printing is a story of continuous innovation in hardware, software, and materials science, which has enabled its rapid growth into a versatile manufacturing solution with diverse applications in industries like medicine, aerospace, and consumer goods. I hope you liked my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.